In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a line thicker in AutoCAD. Whether you're emphasizing a boundary, highlighting a feature, or simply following drawing standards, adjusting a line's thickness, known as line weight, helps your design read clearly on screen and, most importantly, when it's plotted. Start by selecting the line you want to change. Click it once so it's highlighted. You can select a single line or multiple lines if you want them to share the same thickness. Selection is important because the change you're about to make applies to whatever is currently selected. With your line selected, go to the Home tab in the ribbon. The ribbon runs along the top of the AutoCAD window, and the Home tab is typically active by default, so you may already be there. The Home tab gathers commonly used tools and quick property controls in one place, which makes adjustments like this fast and consistent. Within the Home tab, look for the Properties section. This area shows quick access settings such as color, layer, line type, and line weight. If you don't see it right away, scan the panels across the Home tab. It's grouped with other object properties that affect how things look and print. Now, open the line weight dropdown and choose the thickness you want. The list shows a range of predefined values, typically in millimeters, which correspond to how thick the line will print. As you hover or click through, think about the purpose of the line. Light construction lines often use very thin values, while borders and main outlines use heavier ones. If you see options like bi-layer or bi-block, those simply mean the line weight can follow a layer setting or a block's setting. For this demonstration, pick a specific value from the list to directly assign that thickness to your selected line. Once you choose a line weight, the change applies immediately to the selected line. Depending on your zoom level and display settings, the on-screen difference can appear subtle, but the key result is how it will plot on paper or PDF. Thicker line weights read bolder and stand out more. If it looks too heavy or too light, just reselect the line and pick a different value from the same drop-down until you get the clarity you want. And that's all there is to it. Select the line, go to the Home tab, find the Properties section, and pick a thickness from the line weight menu. It's a quick adjustment that makes a big difference in drawing readability and presentation,